The artistry behind a minimalist luxurious home is one that effortlessly blends a neutral color palette with simplicity to accent the natural beauty of the home. Welcome back to Crazy Nice Homes. Today we're here in Bukit Timah to explore a 6-bedroom semi-detached that is 3,380 square feet with built-up area 6,500 square feet. If you're ready, let's go! Hi Sean.
Hi, welcome Lester.
Hey, hi, thanks for having me here.
Okay.
Wow, what a big house.
Yeah. So this house is a reconstruction.
Okay.
And it takes about 2 years for the interior and exterior work.
Oh wow.
So original the house is a 2 plus a basement.
Okay.
So we add extra 2 story.
Okay, so now it's 5 stories in total.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
So Sean, what's the theme and inspiration behind this home?
First of all, we need to understand the owner's so-called lifestyle, because what we believe is every space comes with the dream of the owner lifestyle. Okay, so from there we start our space planning, all this.
I see, then you design based on what the owner wants, what they want in their dream.
Yeah, from there slowly we will inject all the theme, what they like, what they don't like, all these things.
Okay, great, which we'll explore later on, right? So, I want to talk about this garden that I see that I'm coming in as well.
Okay.
So you have a very nice garden here.
Because owner like to travel, especially Japan, so influenced by their culture a lot. So we try to use the plants like bonsai and the stone feature. And another reason is because low maintenance. So owner don't like to do a lot of maintenance for the garden.
Okay, so stone feature don't require maintenance.
Low maintenance, I should say, compared to those turf glass. Definitely, this is really easy to maintain and clean all this. So we are standing here is a basement, and I try not to make it like a basement. I try to make it a welcome space, like a foyer, because basement always give people like a dark, low, claustrophobic space. So that's why this area you can see that there is a tall ceiling, bright, a lot of sunlight.
Yeah, a lot of sunlight coming in.
Yeah, and a storage space, all this. So let's go up to the first floor.
Alright, so what can we expect at the first floor?
So first floor actually is a formal living, dining with the double volume and wet and dry kitchen. So let me share with you the staircase at the middle of the house. So we moved the staircase to the corner. The reason is because before that the house was narrow and claustrophobic. It eat out the space. So we moved to this corner to make the staircase look bright and spacious.
Yeah, so this brings a lot of natural light into the staircase area.
Yes, we created the window and glass. There's a dual function. One is the sunlight, another one is the make it air and breezy. You can see we created some vertical strip is to hide all the untidy structure. Under the sunlight, we can see it casts a lot of nice shadows. So actually, this idea is influenced by those Japanese lantern.
Wow, Sean, there's a UFO in the house.
No, sorry, this is a cassette aircon, ceiling mounted aircon.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so I stay in a HDB. Am I able to fit this in my home?
No way to do that. Yeah, because it need to drop down at least 12 to 16 inch.
Okay, so if I stay in a condo, can I fit this?
Unless it's a high ceiling condo, yes, that's possible.
Sean, I love the spaciousness of this area.
The reason we create this double volume is because, as I mentioned before, this is a reconstruction house. So some of the existing structure and slab we will keep. So the second floor, the home office, above the ceiling is pretty low.
Okay.
So that's why we have this double volume to make the whole space look bright and spacious. So we select this hanging light to enhance the overall space.
I love this light. It's so big. It's like a big centerpiece in this area here.
Yeah, it is the focus point for this entire hall space. Lastly, you can see this is the wet kitchen. We moved this wet kitchen to this location is because here facing the west sun. So in the wet area, under the wet sun, it dry fast. Okay. So this is the point. But there's another challenge come up is because under the direct wet sunlight, you will feel too hot.
Okay.
So that's why we create this window. It's not tall and big. is a slim and sleek looking. Yeah, so less line, unblocked view, serve dual function. Exterior, this is the existing structure. Before it's a staggered structure. So we create this planter box, make it put up the plants and the herbs. So when you do the cooking and washing, you look out, you have a nice and a breeze view.
Oh yeah, I can imagine I'm cooking here, looking at nice greenery. And then you can go and pluck herbs to cook.
Yes, correct, that's right. This is the second floor, whereby it's a home office space. So you can see the homeowners and the kids will be study work here. And you can see this level is the lowest ceiling. Okay, because it's the existing structure and slab we need to keep, right? So that's why we created this double volume to break the claustrophobic narrow view.
Oh, okay, yeah. So it looks like I can see a lot more things, looks a bit more spacious.
Yes, correct. So behind the feature panel, actually is the guest room and the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
So you can see all the thing was flush and hidden. Yeah, this is the overall concept for this house.
I can see, I can't even tell there's something behind it.
Let's go. You can see this is the guest bathroom. Compared to others bathroom, this is much more spacious.
It's really big.
Yeah, because we consider for the guests like elderly people and wheelchair accessible. So especially the shower area, you can see the shower drop is pretty slim.
Okay.
Actually, it's good for the elderly people, especially for the wet area.
Okay. So I noticed you have 2 doors.
Yeah, so this door is entrance to the guest bedroom. Welcome to level 3, where all the bedrooms are.
You know, Sean, this piece here, this looks like a really nice art piece.
No, this is not the art piece. This one actually is a wallpaper.
Huh?
Yeah, because we can't find the right size. So that's why we create a frame and put up the wallpaper. So basically it's...
How do you make, so you make the frame, you take the wallpaper and you wrap it?
Yes, correct. Yes,
Oh,
that's
it
right.
looks like an art piece.
Yeah.
Looks quite beautiful.
Yes. So let's go to the master room.
Okay.
So this is the master room. You can see this floor level. We move all the bedroom and the bathroom facing the unblocked view. So we try to create as big as possible, as tall as possible for the view. You can see outdoor, here is a whole stretch of the balcony.
I really like the view, you know, like you get the view of the house, you get a really nice sky as well.
So because of that, it's always problem will create the idea and idea will create a problem. So it makes the corridor is long and dark.
Okay.
So later I will share with you how we brought the sunlight to make the whole space interesting and bright. Yeah. Let me show you the master bathroom. So I created a his and her basin. So early morning when they go to work, they don't need to fight with each other.
Oh, okay.
So let me show you something interesting. So you can see this is the big and spacious unblocked view. So it makes the bathroom bright and airy, right? So even when you take a shower, I created this frosted film. When you shower, this is the important parts whereby it's blocked and you can enjoy the outdoor view.
Oh, so your neighbors can't peep at you lah.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. As I mentioned earlier, this is the corridor. You can see this is how we bore the sunlight. Okay, and the sunlight casts the shadow or the vertical strip. So it repeats the design of the facade and the feature panel here. Right. So behind this feature panel, actually is all the 3 bedroom.
Oh.
Let me show you. So
Okay, wait, but why do you hide doors in a house?
as you mentioned, this is a home, right, for the family member. So if the traditional, we created bedroom door and door frame, it will just make you feel like a hotel, right? It's so boring. So it's all the feature panel. It not only to hide the room door, but also we try to hide all the TV box, all this inside.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, correct.
You know, one day if you're drunk and you come home, you can't find your door, you know.
So Lester, we have one more level to show you.
We have one more level to go. Wait, I lost count already. What level are we? So basement, what floor is
This is
this?
the third floor.
Third floor, wow. Tired lah.
Let me show you some surprise. Behind this wallpaper painting is a lift.
Huh? There's a lift in the house? Wow, Sean, you never say earlier.
Come on, let's go in.
Wait, can we go up?
So this is attic. This is the passage whereby we created a skylight, brought the sunlight throughout the third floor corridor. Now we come to this is the family hall space.
Wow, such a big space. You know, I can imagine having my friends here. We have a party here.
So we created this folding door, so it can fold and have a big opening. So the exterior and interior will be linked together.
Okay.
And then above the ceiling, we try to create the artificial wood, make it a bit of resort touch.
Okay, so wait, artificial wood, what's the difference or benefit over real wood?
Okay, artificial is low maintenance, heat resistant, and waterproof.
So Sean, $1 million question, how much does this beautiful home cost?
For exterior reconstruction cost 1.5 million, renovation carpentry work cost 500,000.
Wow. This minimalist luxurious home has achieved a level of sophistication and is by no means an easy feat. This house has certainly shone through, making this a crazy nice home. If you like this home, do remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you have a crazy nice home that you want us to visit, do contact us. If you have a comment about this home, do let us know in the comment section below. With that, Sean, thank you very much for showing us this beautiful home today. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.